beauties, it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on tonight with a mini Ulta haul 2024. I have some new makeup that I just scooped up, and I'm really excited to try out some of these with you beauties, so we're going to test them out too. So let's just dive right in. I'm so excited because I went online and ordered these are the NYX Pro Fix sticks. Now, I had tried a few of these so far, but I've never tried these two in particular. Now, these are so good. Have you beauties tried these yet? They're absolutely, well, okay, they are phenomenal. They really are. The ones that I've tried have been phenomenal. Now, the reason that I went online was because the color corrector was sold out at my Ulta. So I had to go online and order the color corrector that I wanted to get, which was the pink color corrector. And so in the NYX Pro Fix stick, they do have 6 other shades. So I did get, again, the light pink. Actually, this is it right here. This is the light pink. And then I also really wanted to try their lightest shade of concealer from this new collection. So they do have 18 different shades of concealer to choose from. And already I have tried one of these in a deep shade Sienna, and I use it to contour. It's absolutely stunning. So there's so many different ways that you can use these. So I'm really excited today to test these out with you dolls, because again, I love using color correctors, but the good news is that right now Ulta is having buy one, get one for 40% off. So if you buy one of these, you're going to get one for 40% off. And these are very reasonably priced. They do retail for $9. They are infused with hyaluronic acid. So the ones that I've tried so far have been super duper creamy, and I'm so excited. Okay, you're like, girl, just show us the good stuff. Okay, let's test these out. And then I got another NYX Duck Plump. I tried the other one with you dolls the other day. I'm not sure if you saw, but I really wanted to try a more of a cherry tone, so I picked this up. And then they also were having gift with purchase, so they actually gave me this eyeliner here as a gift. So I'm not sure what this is, but this was gift with purchase at Ulta. So I got it looks like it's a Vivid Brights eyeliner from NYX, and I guess it's in a kind of fluorescent yellow. I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and test that out as well. And then I also picked up another NYX Fat Oil. This is the Slick Click. It's a shiny lip balm, so it's the fat oil in a lip balm formulation. So I tried a different shade the other day. I don't know if you beauty saw it, but I really wanted to try a more neutral shade, so I got this one, which looks like a baby pink. And then I also scooped up a clear one because this I tried the other day, one which was more of a kind of terracotta shade. It is so beautiful though. It's so moisturizing. It feels incredible on your lips. So now this one is clear, so I figured this would be a great option just to wear either over a lipstick or on its own. There are so many great ways. So anyway, let's just test these out. I think I did get a few other things, but we'll just, you're like, girl, just show us the good stuff. Okay, beauty. So let's go ahead and first test out the color corrector. Now, again, I did get the light pink shade, which will brighten a person with a fair to medium complexion. If you're very fair, you'd want to reach for the yellow color corrector. I'm a little bit more deeper, so I'm going to use the pink one today. So I'm in between fair to medium would use pink, fair to light would use yellow, and then you want to reach for the dark peach color corrector if you have a medium to deep complexion. And then the apricot would work great for you if you have a deep complexion, so that is how you would color correct. Also, they do have a green color corrector which will neutralize redness, so if you have pimples, you can go ahead and put on your green color corrector and it will take down the redness and then go over it with your foundation. So here again is the pink color corrector. Now I do right now have on my face, I just put on a little bit of my Lawless primer, and so that's all I have on right now. So let's go ahead and test this out. So now let's just go ahead and put it on straight out of the tube. These are infused with hyaluronic acid, so that lends them to be very creamy, and I have experienced them being very creamy on my skin. So now here, this one does feel creamy. It does definitely feel creamy. I'm not sure if it feels as creamy as the other one that I tried, which was Sienna, a deeper shade. But yeah, I feel like the other one I tried was creamier, but this is very creamy. So what do you beauties think? It's super duper brightening. I love this coverage. I love how it did instantly brighten. So this is actually gorgeous. I'm really shocked at how beautiful this is because actually I like that it's not as, it doesn't seem, I don't know why, but the other one that I had definitely seemed, maybe it was the room temperature or something, but it definitely seemed much more. Yes, it did kind of seem much more emollient, but this is beautiful. Or, my skin could be drier today. But neither here nor there. This is absolutely stunning. I literally cannot believe my eyes right now because, yeah, look at, and it blended instantly. And I'm really happy because, yeah, I don't even feel like I need more. I have deep set kind of circles under my eyes. People are always trying to inject my under eyes with filler, but with this, you feel like you don't need the filler. You just feel so much more. I feel like my eyes look plumper actually. Somehow, maybe it's the hyaluronic acid in the product plumped up. Is it like immediately plumping? I don't know, but I just feel like I feel like my eyes instantly look plumper and I feel like they look so much more wide awake and totally concealed. I don't even feel like I need to put another concealer on top, which was what I was planning to do, but I don't even think that I need that. So let me go ahead and just test out the other shade that I got, which I believe is the lightest shade. This is pale. This is probably going to be too pale for me, but let's just try this out on its own just to see, because this is so gorgeous right now. I would, I don't even feel like I need to put more concealer on. I feel like it concealed and brightened and did everything. But let's just try out this one. That actually looks too bright. But that's great for if you want a very brightened under eye. I mean, for someone like me, the other one that I got, Alabaster, was definitely a better choice for me. I don't know if you saw that video. See, I was planning to use this like this, but this is too much now. You don't need, it's way too much. You don't need it. One is enough. One of these, if you have a complexion like mine, one is enough. So this is it's kind of like way too much product. But it's great if you want a full coverage look. Well, yeah, look at that now. Once you blend it all together, it does look amazing, especially if you want a more glam look. So, but actually, if you want, what you can do here is put your foundation on top, and this will just kind of peek through. So that'll be a beautiful effect, I think. So let me finish blending this out, and then I'm going to put a foundation or even just a skin tint on top, because this is so full coverage. You don't even need foundation. I don't think a skin tint would be stunning on top of a product like this, because again, it's so full coverage. So what is happening here is that it's working as a highlighter. So it's giving me just that full coverage kind of glam look. Yeah, I would actually, let's just put foundation on. Why not? Because I just reached for it and I have it right here. But a skin tint would be perfect in this situation. But let's just do the full glam for fun. So I'm just going to put on some of this Makeup by Mario. So that is just some Makeup by Mario foundation, which is very moisturizing. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this really quickly and then I'll be right back. So beauties, I'm back. I just set my face with some of the CoverGirl talc-free setting powder. That setting powder is so good. And let's just test out some of these lips here that we've got. This is the NYX Fat Oil Slick Click. So I did get this shade here, which is a light pink shade. Let me see the color. It's called Clout. So what you do is you just click it, and guys, can you see it? It's gonna, yeah, it comes out. And then let's go ahead and see how this shade looks. Oh, this is so pretty. I wasn't expecting that. Wow. And it feels incredible. This feels so good. This is very reminiscent to me of the Hourglass, the Phantom Plumping Lip Balm. this feels very similar. The packaging is similar. So it feels very, very similar. It's so moisturizing. It feels so good on my lips. And it's a beautiful shade. So let me just go ahead and put on a little lip liner though, just so we can get the full effect. So I have here this Rimmel. This is a lasting finish. This is a nude lip liner, nude, what is it called? Just, yeah, oh, Cappuccino, 705. So let's just put this on and just see how it looks. Wow, that's gorgeous, you guys. This is a gorgeous nude lip combo. Guys, this is so beautiful. I can't believe it. It feels so good. This is actually for my pink toned nude lips. This is my new favorite. This is amazing. You guys, I'm really, really lucking out with makeup lately. I really am. This is amazing. I can't think of a better word. This is a true makeup innovation. Feels incredible, and this color and the price. It is actually drugstore better than high end. So amazing. I'm so happy I got this. Let me go ahead and just try out. I do have the Fat Oil. Oh, I'm sorry. I have the NYX Duck Lip in that red shade. So let me go ahead and grab that and we'll test that out. So beauties, now I have here the NYX Duck Plump. This is a lip plumper. Now I know from the other day this was burning, burning, burning. And the name of this shade is Hall of Flame. So I hope it was burning the other day. But anyway, I really wanted to try out a different shade. So here we're going to go for this red lip. Let's see how it looks. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, this feels so good. It's not instantly burning, but I know from the one that I tried the other day, it did start to burn as it wore on, as it sat on my lips. Now, oh my goodness, I don't even feel like I need a lip liner. This totally filled in my lip line, so you don't even need a lip liner. It's so pigmented that I wouldn't even put a lip liner on because you just don't need it. Wow, this is stunning. This is actually gorgeous. I'm so shocked, you guys. Because the other day I tried a nude color, so it did look amazing. My lips looked huge after I put it on, but this you can really appreciate the color. So beauties, let me know if you've picked up any of these NYX makeup products for yourself. So thank you, beauties, so much for spending time with me today. I hope you dolls are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.